Tiniyak ng Manila Yacht Club na hindi nila miyembro o naging bisita man lamang si Janet Lim Napoles. Kasunod po yan ang usap-usapang may 3 yate di umano si Napoles na posible niyang gamitin sa pagtakas. Bagay na itinanggi na ng kanyang kampo. Gayunman, naka-alerta pa rin daw ang Philippine Coast Guard at maging ang Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines o CAAP sa posibleng paglabas ng Pilipinas ni Napoles. May report si Ian Cruz.
Natanggap na ng Bureau of Immigration na impormasyon na posibleng gumamit umano ng 3 yate si Napoles para makaalis sa bansa. Base raw sa impormasyon na nakuha nila, dating nasa Manila Yacht Club ang 3 yate pero nawawala na raw ang mga ito.
Hindi na namin masigurado kung yun ay talagang kanilang pag-aari o ginagamit nila talaga. Pag-pag-tayo na kami sa Coast Guard at sa Marina para malaman talaga makonfirm ang reports na umabot sa amin.
Kanina, kasama ito sa tinalakay sa board meeting ng Manila Yacht Club.
We are not aware of any factual incident that the person referred to ever entered the Manila Yacht Club and sailed out through any of the yachts here. In fact, she's not even a member of the Manila Yacht Club, you see. At the same time, she's not a regular person that is a habitué of the Manila Yacht Club as a guest of any members that we are aware of.
August 15, nang magsadya dito sa Manila Yacht Club ang mga ahente ng NBI. May ulat daw kasing nandito si Napoles at kanyang mga yate at dito raw nagmula para makalabas ng Manila Bay. Hindi raw nila alam kung ano ang basehan ng NBI sa paghahanap kay Napoles sa Yacht Club. Dahil hindi nga raw miyembro si Napoles ng Yacht Club, pwede naman daw na nanghiram ito ng yate sa iba.
That is definitely always a possibility because we're not privy to all the activities of the members of the Yacht Club and the owners of the Yacht Club, you see. But we're not aware for a fact that this has transpired.
Gayunman, nauna na nga nila iginiit na hindi nga naging bisita ng Manila Yacht Club si Napoles. Sabi rin ng ibang board member, nung panahong sinasabing nawawala si Napoles, wala raw yating umalis mula rito dahil noon daw nanalasa ang bagyong Maring at Habagat.
It would be very difficult to travel to countries such as Hong Kong or Singapore, Indonesia, because the China Sea, which is the area you would be crossing, was very rough at that time. We had a strong southwest monsoon. We had a tropical storm at that time, so we had very heavy rains. So it would be very difficult even for experienced sailors to traverse those seas at that time.
Ang Philippine Coast Guard patuloy din ang pagbabantay sa pantalan sa buong bansa kahit aminado silang hindi ito nagiging madali lalo't may 4 na rampang publikong pantalan at may 100 pribadong pier sa buong bansa.
Unless you have a valid reason or may coordination ka sa Yacht Club, doon ka palang pwedeng mag-inquire sa kanila.
Ang Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines o CAAP naka-alerto rin daw kay Napoles. 3 linggong araw nakakaraan, may Janet Lim silang sinundan na bumiyahe sa Palawan gamit ang private plane pero bumalik rin ng Maynila. Sa talaan daw nila, walang pag-aaring eroplano si Napoles pero sabi ng Federation of Aviation Organization of the Philippines, kahit walang pag-aaring private plane ang isang individual, posible pa rin makalipad sa ibang panig ng bansa at doon tuluyang lumabas ng bansa.
Merong nakakalusot talaga. May napapalusot. May pinapalusot. Ang reward na 10 million kayang-kayang dublihin ni Napoles yun
I think it would be very difficult because if there's any private owner, aircraft owner that would take her in knowing that she's supposedly a fugitive from the law, they would be liable.
Ian Cruz, GMA News.